ba namada ng mamamani jakal jahan sadari ang nabaman jaha obadak na koromi chukuri na kon kano kasine agan sonar na babana aro kasara mani tanga angare yang soni balong chakai na loko dodo. Hello Meghalaya Northeast people, Garo people or Kasi people, peace from Africa. Welcome back all. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we're gonna check one Garo song, guys, from Rikram here. The song title is Kasajok nangnara katongosa. Full music video. We have Aidina Agitok and Rikram Mrong, guys. New Garo love song. Yes, it's been a while, guys. It's really been long. I never reacted to Garo song, guys. And you know what, guys? Previously, I was in Meghalaya, Shillong, guys. I really enjoyed the place, guys. Like, I travel a lot in Meghalaya. I went to so many places. I visited so many amazing natural places of Meghalaya, Shillong, guys. And I also went to Jawai, Shiripanji, Sogra, all those amazing places, guys. But I have to say sorry to Garo people because I never got a chance to go to Garo Hills. But anyway, guys, my friends also invited me for the next time to come back, and straight up we'll go to Garo Hills, guys. I really love Garo Hills, but Garo Hills is very far, guys. Like from Meghalaya is very far, and no one to help me that time, or no one to assist me from there. But anyway, I will make it. Next time I'm coming straight up to Garo Hills, guys. I know how beautiful is Garo Hills, guys. So love you all. Make sure to subscribe, guys, and go and watch my Kasi, not Kasi only, my Meghalaya Shillong vlog. It's already in this channel. We do vlogs and reaction video. Love you all. Don't forget, subscribe. Stay tuned. Let's go. I'm gonna sing for you, guys. Garo people, just make sure increase the volume and listen to me singing this song. Yeah, for the first time. Let's start. Kasajok nangnara katongosa amjahagu alna dik sabah kenjawa ontak na janggi koba nangnia sensi na nanggenwa chunggepanok dan bakhangal angasa chalai benba haidung sangari yokma agan soyan babala aro kasara mani tanga angare yang soni balo chakai na lokalo kasajok nangnara katongosa amjahagu alna dik sabah kenjawa ontak na janggi koba naknia sensi na nanggenwa. Woo! I'm trying to sing it from the lyric here, guys. I don't know the meaning, but let's just sing. You can tell me the meaning. The guy sounds so good, the singer. Walang salang sarana angko kaonan namo chudiriring ako ng nagtsahamo Pejachiri yang kan agan nomamo isolobi na angko skiro namo endakisin sa kusa nampa akasa tamba dongko wagi segramba namada ng mamamani jakal jahan sadari ang nabaman jaha obadak na koromi chukuri na kon kano kasine agan sonar na babana aro kasara mani tanga angare yang soni balong chakai na Loko dodo.
Kasajok nangnara katongosa. Amjahaguan na dibdib sabah. Kenjawa oncak na jangbi koba. Nakniya silsi na nangenoba.
So nice, this is so amazing. Wow, this is so amazing, guys. What does it mean by Kasajok nang? Kasajok nang nara. What does it mean, guys? It's really amazing. This is so energetic. Kasara. I think this word of Garo, I heard it before in one previous reaction video. Kasara. Is it a laugh? What does it mean by Kasara. Anyway, let's speak about the music video, guys. It's so amazing, so energetic. And this guy, it's my first time reacting to him, guys. Like, oh my gosh, it's so good. And like the energy he has, he's so talented from the way he's singing. And the action also, the guy is so good, no doubt, guys. And the music is just so beautiful, so amazing. Both the actors, they did so well. I really wish if I could understand it because it's a love song, and the way this guy is singing, guys, like this song is so amazing. Like he didn't even put so much of the chorus in this music video. Like most of the part was him expressing in the music, which made this song not to be boring. Though I don't understand it, but I can judge it from the lyric, guys. This is really amazing, brother. This guy is so good in music, and that was a nice work. And what watching, guys, just tell me some words from this music. Maybe I can use for my another reaction, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to go and watch my vlog, subscribe, and do suggest other Garo song that we can check and enjoy it. Thank you. Love you all. God bless you all.